YouTube?
What's up?
It's your boy Larry.
It's Frank.
And I'm fucking up. We all here today, man, about to install the lip kit on the car. You remember from the last video we painted everything up, so try to get it mounted up today, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we're just getting the front lip on. Just put a couple screws up to hold it in, starting from the middle and working our way out to the outside. All right, let's see here.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, so I know we didn't film that much this time, but we got the lip kit on. It's looking pretty decent, you know. I'm not gonna lie, the plastic is kind of shitty. It didn't line up perfectly. Right here you can see a little bit of gap. Side skirts don't look bad. Then we got the rear. All right, y'all, so we got the lip kit installed and everything. This video is gonna be a little shitty because we didn't film every little part because we was fighting daylight, getting dark earlier now. But yeah, let me show y'all what it's looking like. So yeah, man, this is the lip kit. Got the little rear spats on there, side skirts, front lip looking pretty good.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, overall it went on pretty easy. We just did self-tapping screws in the front, lined up the middle first, and then worked our way out to the side. Fitment is not 100% perfect, but you know, it's on there. And from a distance, you really can't tell. Side skirts, a little flimsy, you know what I'm saying? But we painted them, so they look decent. I'm not mad about it. What you think, Frank?
I think it's amazing, bro. To be like this cheap shit.
Yeah.
I mean, we did a good
It's
job.
the eBay kit, man.
Yeah.
So y'all saw the last video. We painted it up, you know what I'm saying? It's dusty. My car is dirty as fuck, but you know, it's paint matched.
I mean, it's not like the best. It's not like you said. It don't match up everywhere close. Like it's a little
Yeah.
gap here and there, but
But you know what I'm saying? From a distance, this motherfucker look pretty fire.
yeah, it's fire.
I mean, I'm gonna show y'all before and after, but this motherfucker look pretty good. So I will say on these side skirts, man, what we did, jack the whole car up, and then we just used self-tapping screws, lined the shit up, and put silicone around the screws, and just went straight in. I'm not a huge fan of the fucking drilling into the car thing, man, but you know, that's why I say y'all use some silicone, and that should prevent water from getting up in there, and hopefully I can run these for a long time and not have to worry about it. But yeah, other than that, man, it's all coming together, you know what I'm saying? Got the diffuser from earlier and rear spats, lip kit, yeah. Not gonna lie, it makes the car look a lot lower. Have to be real careful driving in these city streets, man.
stupid fresh in the light. That gray look fire.
Ooh, got the gold on gray.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.